Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the number of consumers or number of targets in an existing fruits model or fruits file. Now the terminology number of consumers or targets, this is something that you can change. So you can use generic labels that apply to all sorts of mixing problems, or you can use food labels which you would normally use for a diet deconstruction problem. Of course, this doesn't have any impact on the running of the model. These are just really labels. So let's look at this example in which we have two consumers or targets, and you want to change the number to just one. So for that you have to press consumer data. If these were generic labels, then it would be target data. Okay, and when you do this, this text box here becomes enabled, so you can change this number to 1, and then you must press enter. So I'm pressing enter, and now you have only one consumer or one target. Once you do this, to record this, you must press apply, and then you are ready to generate the model estimates. Now we can also increase the number of consumers, so let's say we change it back to 2. Okay, so you really must press consumer data or target data, and then this box becomes enabled, and then you can change it to 2, and then you press enter, and then of course you have to fill in the data. Now you can do this manually, or you can copy paste the data from, let's say, a data sheet. I have this here, and notice that this input line corresponds to this one, which is already here, and I basically want to add this one. Now you might be tempted to, let's say, do a Control C and then Control V. This doesn't work. Okay, it will paste your data only in just one cell. And you of course have this paste data option here. You might also be tempted to do this, Control C and then paste data, but it doesn't work because it copied the data just to the first line. Because when you press paste data, fruits will start by filling in the first line and then the second line and so forth. So actually, when you wish to copy paste data into fruits, you really have to have the sequence of lines that you want to copy paste. So let's select this data, Control C, and then paste data. And now you have the data in the correct format. And then to save it, you have to press apply. Now you could even have more consumers. Let's say if you want to have 100, you put in 100 and then you press enter, and then you have to fill in all of these cells. And 100 is the maximum number. If you try to do 101, you will be issuing a warning that the maximum is 100, and of course the minimum is 1. And that's it.